Here we have 4 functions that are coded and recognizable by the use of DEF to introduce each function. As you can see, each function is coded to perform a different task, and these can be called upon throughout the code later on. So instead of repeating the same section of recurring code, one can code to call upon a function. So as we see here, we have a wheel function where the parameters are set for channel and event. Within this function, the Explorer hat motor will move forward. This is calling on both motors that are attached to my STS-Pi Robot. The wait time will be a sleep value of 2, at which time the motors will both stop. The second function will be similar to the first, however the motors will operate in reverse. As you move on to functions 3 and 4, we have lights going on, and this calls on all lights on the Explorer hat, with the last function turning those same lights off. In order to call each function, we are making use of the touch buttons that are featured on the Explorer hat. Touch buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4. When pressed, will call on a different function each. Now as we look at this code being run on our STS-Pi Robot, we can see that the motors are already wired properly. And as we use each button, we can see a call on the function within the Python script. Seems I have a slight issue with my blue LED. If you call on the function for the motors to move forward or backwards and find that the motors are going in the opposite direction, simply realigning the wires to positive and negative will solve that problem.